Okay, Letty, how you doing? Look what we got. We got cold leftover onion ring from Hilltop. Oh boy. Yep. Oh, are these good? You ready? Here's another one. Oh, she's even learned how to eat them right. You ready? Tell Tony thanks. Or maybe we should tell the guy who made him thanks. Killed all those, didn't you? Let's see. Here, I get a couple. You can't have them all. You're a lucky dog, you know that. You got friends in high places. A couple more and that's it. Otherwise I'll have to give you some Pepto-Bismol. Here you go. Woo, look at that. Okay. Say bye, everybody. Bye. Good girl. She's my baby.